Who doesn't love a sheep race? Today we visited Cannon Hall Farm. After a tricky start, with both boys upset, as we were there early and had to wait 10 minutes to get in. We then had a great day. The different play areas were tricky and fun, lots of long slides and climbing stuff. You get to then go on a tractor ride, which is always fun. We saw alpacas and cows, which Arthur loved. Next, a good run around the tunnel mazes, before a stop for ice cream, as it was absolutely boiling. We finished the day with a visit to see the animals, which was great, as there was lots of baby animals. I loved the piglets most. We didn't go in the soft play though, as it was so busy, but we will definitely be returning to try it next time.